Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews to help you make the right buying decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the Eureka J15 Ultra Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum, a product that's designed to make your cleaning routine hands-off, powerful, and effective. With a self-emptying base, a hot water mop, and a high suction power of 19,000 PA, this vacuum promises to tackle a variety of messes on both carpets and hard floors. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Eureka J15 Ultra is packed with features designed to elevate your cleaning experience. At the heart of this robot is its advanced motor, delivering an impressive 19,000 PA of suction power. That's quite a bit of force for a robot vacuum, and it's meant to target everything from fine dust to larger debris, as well as pet hair. The real promise here is the combination of high suction with its edge-to-edge precision cleaning. The flex arm mop and square round design work together to clean tight corners and hard-to-reach areas, which is a big plus for those with cluttered homes or more intricate floor plans. One standout feature of the Eureka J15 Ultra is its self-emptying base. Over 75 days, the system automatically empties debris, refills the water, and even handles the hot water mop washing and drying at temperatures of 167 degrees Fahrenheit and 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Essentially, this means you get to enjoy long periods of cleaning with minimal effort. For those who want even less maintenance, the system also includes the ability to dry the mop after each cleaning session. This is a big deal for anyone who dreads dealing with a damp mop or having to regularly clean a dirty bin. In terms of performance, the Eureka J15 Ultra isn't just a pretty face with high-tech features. It does its job well on both carpets and hard floors. The 19,000 PA suction power ensures deep cleaning, whether it's embedded dirt in your rugs or the fine dust that settles on hard surfaces. This robot vacuum uses AI technology to detect dry and wet messes, adjusting its cleaning mode accordingly. So if you spill water or some cereal, the vacuum will switch modes to clean the mess more effectively. Another interesting feature is the Flexi Razor brush, which is designed to cut hair 400 times per minute. This is an excellent touch for pet owners, as the brush is engineered to prevent tangles, keeping the vacuum's suction strong over time. The brush is a game changer for those with long hair or shedding pets, as it minimizes maintenance and ensures consistent cleaning. When it comes to maneuverability, the Eureka J15 Ultra stands out. With AI-powered obstacle avoidance, the vacuum can detect over 150 different objects. Thanks to LiDAR, cameras, and LED headlights, it avoids obstacles, providing a smooth and efficient cleaning path. While some robot vacuums can struggle with obstacles, the Eureka J15 Ultra's AI dirt detection and obstacle avoidance allow it to clean with precision and without getting stuck as often. That said, no vacuum is without its downsides. For instance, while the self-emptying base is a fantastic feature, the size of the base itself might take up a bit more space than some users expect. It's something to keep in mind if you have limited storage space or are looking to place it in a tight corner. Also, while the 75-day hands-free cleaning is a great claim, it ultimately depends on how much space you're cleaning, as well as the types of messes your vacuum encounters. When we talk about value for money, the Eureka J15 Ultra is not the cheapest robot vacuum on the market, but it does offer premium features that make it a worthwhile investment for certain users. With the combination of self-cleaning, powerful suction, and AI-powered intelligence, it performs well across multiple surfaces. The hot water mop function adds extra cleaning power, especially for sticky messes or tough dirt that vacuums alone can't tackle. However, if you're not looking for all the bells and whistles, there are other more affordable robot vacuums that may suit your needs just fine. In comparison to other robots in this price range, the Eureka J15 Ultra competes directly with models from brands like iRobot and Roborock. For example, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus offers a similar self-emptying base, while the Roborock S7 boasts excellent suction power and a mop function as well. While these models have their strengths, the Eureka J15 Ultra's 19,000 PA suction, mop drying system, and AI dirt detection make it stand out. What really sets it apart, however, is the cutting-edge Flexi Razor brush, which is particularly useful for pet owners. As for build quality, the Eureka J15 Ultra is solidly constructed. The materials used feel durable, and the design is sleek and modern, although it's slightly larger than some other robot vacuums, which could be a consideration for those with cramped spaces. The mop and brush assembly is easy to maintain, and while long hair may tangle occasionally, the high-frequency brushing action helps prevent most issues. Regular maintenance of the bin and mop is minimal, which is great for anyone looking for a low-maintenance cleaning solution. Customer support for Eureka is generally known to be responsive, though it's always a good idea to check for any specific warranty issues. Fortunately, the self-emptying base and mop drying features reduce the need for regular upkeep, which should minimize your need for customer service. Now, if you're someone who doesn't want to deal with constant cleaning tasks, the Eureka J15 Ultra is a great option to consider. It's packed with smart features that make cleaning easy and efficient. Whether you have pets, kids, or a busy lifestyle, this robot vacuum can help keep your home spotless with minimal effort on your part. Remember, the link to get the Eureka J15 Ultra can be found in the comments box below, so feel free to check it out if you think it's the right vacuum for your needs. If you already own this model or have any questions about it, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your floors spotless with the best tech here on Reviews Inside TV.